Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another event today, and if you're a football fan, this might be just for you. All you need is a Binance account and you can sign up to Binance with the link to have a lifetime discount on your transaction fees. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram. Now, let's get started. Binance is the world's leading crypto exchange and is famous for its high-quality events. So far, we have shared various events on the Binance exchange. As you know, the World Cup will start in Qatar in 6 days, and Binance launches a new event with rewards worth $1 million. Those enrolled in the Football Fever Daily Challenge will be eligible for gifts including tokens, limited edition NFTs, and premium club experiences such as player meetings and training ground tours. Let's start with how to enroll. Here we have the passport button. Once you click on it, you will have two options, the standard and super passport. If you choose the standard option, you will have 12 daily challenges and you must only have one of these fan tokens. For example, you can buy 1.1 Alpine token or any other token in this list to claim your standard passport. If you choose the super option like I did, you will have 23 daily challenges with up to 250% extra multiplier, but you must have a minimum of 10 fan tokens. For example, let's purchase Alpine. Click on the buy button, choose Alpine and select your payment method. It will direct you to the spot market, and if you don't know how to use it, you can watch our Binance tutorials. After purchasing your fan tokens, you can claim your NFT from here. And after claiming your NFT, click on the challenge button. Here you can predict which team wins or loses. And when the World Cup starts, you can start earning points. The more points you earn, the more rewards you will get. For example, let's bet on Qatar versus Ecuador. Here it says there will be 15,000 worth of prizes in Chile's tokens. The winners can earn up to $1,000 and each participant will receive an NFT based on the accuracy of their presumptions. I will choose 0 to 0, click on submit and confirm. Once the results are out, I will come back here to see my rewards. Later I can claim those rewards from the reward center. Essentially, you must collect all 32 NFTs to increase your bonuses. Everyday participants will earn points according to the accuracy of their entries. There will be no entry fee to pay and no assets will be at risk of being lost. The rewards can go up with each passing day with tokens worth $15,000 to be shared among participants on the first day of matches on November 20 and up to $16,000 on the final day, which falls on December 18th. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.